Hi, my name is Eric Johnston, and I'm an aviation photographer. Join me as I document all kinds of aircraft from big to small and cool to, well, really cool. This video is proudly sponsored by Air Models. Check out their excellent variety of resin and die-cast aircraft models with over 400 commercial and military aircraft and helicopters available. Click the link in the description to see more from Air Models.
Yeah, we're going to form up on his left, Joel. Raj.
Alright, he's almost with us. Brad was, actually no, they're both with us. Wow, these guys are good. The guy in the green used to fly F-15s. Got like 1,800 hours.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I wish you guys would join up a little faster next time.
Red's up.
Leads up.
Green's up.
Green, go down 10. Perfect. Can you come a little closer? About 10 to 15 closer. Perfect, right there. Red, come forward 20. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect. Red, come up 5. 5.
Katie, so right now, basically my job as lead is to maintain our altitude and heading. And so they're looking off of me right now. They're flying based off of me. So I'm in charge of looking out for other airplanes, towers, and if I see it, I'll move and they'll just follow me. So as much as I want to look over at them, I really can't because I have to be their eyes for them.
Man, it is so much easier to shoot out the left-hand side.
That red airplane, so gorgeous. Man, that is a nice 180.
Isn't it though?
How you doing, Lowell? Anybody go back up? You doing alright? I'm fine. You? I'm good. We good. I feel like I'm meat fisting it, not giving you a good platform, but I'm kind of watching you and a camera ship at the same time. Sweet.
Right before we get to the water, we'll start a right-hand turn.
Sounds good.
Bridgeport traffic, Cessna 8 Whiskey Whiskey, flight of 3, overflying midfield and will be orbiting Bridgeport Lake, Bridgeport traffic.
Oh, this is going to be beautiful. Beautiful. Actually, yeah, you can start your right turn whenever you want. Right turn. If you come forward just a little bit, forward about 15.
Get a good picture of them right there.
Perfect distance, just a little bit more. Yeah, there you go, a little bit more. Little more. Perfect.
Go a little bit more south to give us more time over this backside.
Man, that guy Lowell is good. think that was beautiful.
And I was mounting the camera.
I think we're good, let's go.
Giddy up. Looks good from here. Can you make that thing go any faster? Oh, you are doing right at 100 miles an hour, are we? I think his hamster's in overdrive.
We didn't want to freak you guys out.
Prop wash traffic, Cessna 8 Whiskey, flight of 3 at 1,500 8 miles to the west. We'll be doing overhead for runway 17, full stop, prop wash.
Cessna 313 Alpha, turn in right downwind for runway 12.
Man, green doesn't sound like very much fun. Green what? Maybe that's the color his pecker turned when he had too much fun.
God, Andy, I'm sorry about that. Wait, we're on prop wash frequency too, aren't we?
Yeah.
Go to saying that. Yep.
Tom, are you just going to enter a right base then and just do a pass over the airport?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Right.
Or I can set up on like a 1 mile initial if you want me to.
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah, I'll set up for the 1 mile initial then.
Good luck keeping up on the outside, Green. Yeah, thanks for the... That'll be fun.
I can slow it down. Alright, if you'll kiss them off for me.
Alright, hold on. That was fun. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, glad we were able to get that to work.
And you should have enough light to get back home, right?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Profile traffic, Cessna 8 Whiskey is right base, runway 17, landing on the asphalt.
Bravo traffic, Cessna 8509 Bravo, right base, full stop, grass if we can make it. That's full stop after the first bounce, second bounce, or the third bounce. We'll see.
Thank you very much for doing it.
Yeah, no problem. I always enjoy it.